Wood carving is an art form that offers endless creative possibilities. Whether you're a beginner looking to build your carving skills, or you're an experienced carver revisiting the fundamentals, practicing basic geometric wood carving designs is an excellent way to enhance your abilities and understanding of the craft. In this post, we'll guide you through the process of practicing these foundational designs step by step. And you'll want to start with a wood blank, a soft wood like pine, cedar, or basswood, which is easier to carve for beginners in particular. Then as far as the basic tools, the carving tools you want, like chisels, gouges, and a carving knife, should all be on hand. Make sure they're sharpened, but be safe with them. And speaking of which, safety glasses and carving gloves are a good idea to protect your eyes and hands. And make use of a pencil and ruler for sketching and measuring your design. Don't think that drawing it down first is cheating. Then, as for the step-by-step guide, you want to start with design selection. Begin with a simple geometric shape like a circle, square, maybe some triangles, or rectangles. These basic shapes serve as the foundation for more intricate designs. Then sketch your design using a pencil and ruler. Draw your chosen geometric shape onto the wooden blank. Keep the lines clear and keep them precise. You can also experiment with combining multiple shapes or creating patterns. And when it comes to planning the carving, determine the depth and the style of your carving. For beginners, shallow relief carving, where the design remains mostly flat, is a good starting point. As for those carving techniques, here are some fundamental carving techniques to practice. Number 1, incised lines. Use a carving knife or V-tool to create incised lines along the edges of your geometric shapes. This can define the boundaries and add depth, not to mention a little flair. Then for relief carving, begin carving away the wood outside your geometric shape, gradually working your way inward. Start with shallow cuts and progressively deepen them as you become more comfortable. With regards to texturing, experiment with adding texture to the surface of your carving. Techniques like stippling, cross-hatching, and chip carving can really take your design to the next level. Other things that you need to understand. This one not a tool. Be patient. Take your time with each cut and carve carefully. Beginners often rush. This leads to errors. Steady, deliberate carving will yield better results. And you've got to learn tool control. Understand how to use each carving tool effectively. Practice controlling the depth and angle of your cuts to achieve the desired effect. Not to mention practicing shading. For release carving, shading is absolutely crucial to create that depth and dimension. Experiment with different carving depths and techniques to achieve shading effects.